Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to turn on chat lock on WhatsApp. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. So the first thing we need to do is launch the WhatsApp app on your iPhone, then tap on settings, located in the bottom right corner of the screen. It looks like the gear icon, something like that. Now in the settings menu, WhatsApp will prompt you to authenticate using Face ID or Touch ID, depending on your iPhone model. You will need to verify your identity using your face or fingerprint. Tap on Privacy. Now we have to look for the option called Screen Lock or Fingerprint Lock. The exact wording might vary, so we have to tap on it. Once authenticated, you can choose the type interval, after which WhatsApp will automatically lock. You can select options like immediately, after 1 minute, or after 15 minutes. Optionally, you can choose whether you want to show message content and notifications even when your device is locked. This option adds an extra layer or privacy. After setting your preferences, confirm your choices. With this feature enabled, every time you open WhatsApp after the specified time interval, you'll need to authenticate using Face ID or Touch ID, adding an extra layer of security to your chats. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.